Welcome everyone! In this video, we are going to learn SQL, but not in the usual boring way. We're going to learn SQL in a story format, simple, fun, and easy for everyone to understand. So even if you are a complete beginner, don't worry. We'll learn step by step with easy examples, visuals, and storytelling. So get ready!
It's 1965. A huge company has thousands of records. Quick question, how many customers bought product A last month? Today, that sounds easy. But back then, that question could take hours, or even days. I will need 8 hours. Why was it so difficult? Because data was scattered. Some lived in paper records, some sat inside files, some was buried deep inside systems only a few experts could understand. Businesses were growing fast, but their data was becoming a monster.
Good luck finding anything!
Early computers stored data in files, but files weren't smart. They were isolated, rigid, and difficult to search.
If you want one record, you may need to scan everything.
As companies grew, so did the pain. The same data was copied again and again. Updates were inconsistent, reports were slow, errors became expensive. So engineers began asking a powerful question. What if data didn't live in scattered files? What if it lived in one organized system, built specifically to store, manage, and retrieve information? Early databases first tried a tree-like structure. One parent, many children. Looks organized, but if data doesn't fit the tree shape, then came network databases. More flexible, but much more complicated.
It's smarter, but now my brain hurts.
Then, in 1970, a researcher at IBM named Edgar F. Codd proposed a revolutionary idea.
Wait, like a spreadsheet, but smarter?
Data could be organized into tables, connected by keys, and queried logically. The data was finally organized. Great! How many customers bought product A last month? But people still needed a server for people's purposes cool. And that's when a new idea arrived. A language designed not to tell the computer how to fetch data step by step, but to simply say what you want. How many customers bought product A last month?
SQL changed everything.
It made data searchable, reportable, reliable, and understandable, scalable. SQL Hero giving answers to many industries. Today, when you shop online, book a flight, send a message, or check your bank balance. And in many of those systems, SQL is still the language making data speak. What began as chaos became structure. What began as scattered records became database. That is important languages in the history of computing.
So in today's video, we started our SQL journey and understood how we're going to learn SQL in a simple and interesting way. This is just the beginning and there's a lot more to learn in the video. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like this and videos and updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.